Hello?
Time for another phone check. For real.
Clarissa Jenkins!
Hello?
Hi, can I speak to Mr. Markinson, please?
Speaking.
Hi, this is Michelle Evans calling from Enterprise Rent-A-Car. How are you?
Yeah, are you calling about the car that I dinged up?
Yeah, we heard that you were involved in an unfortunate little accident there.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I take full responsibility for it. I signed up on the insurance, and I know that the back left taillight got scratched. I mean, there isn't a whole lot of damage. I was told by one of your representatives that everything's processed, and we'll move on from there.
Correct, yeah. Unfortunately, you did not sign off on the insurance that frees you from responsibility for the vehicle. It's not that big of a deal, but we just spoke to the adjuster, and it looks like the car is going to be totaled out.
You're going to have to repeat that. I have a copy in front of me right here saying that I initialed in 4 different places on 5 different sheets of paper saying I signed off on it. So
right, I understand, but
that doesn't make any sense.
You got a standard, am I correct?
Yeah, it was a Chrysler.
And I agree, the damage was minimal, but it still had to be totaled.
Where do you get minimal damage and then totaled?
Well, because the car really isn't worth that much. So to get the repair on it, if the repairs exceed the value of the car, then we just total it out.
So how much money is this going to cost?
Well, it's about $2,600.
$2,600? Are you serious? There's no way that I'm signing off for that. I signed off on that piece of paper. No, I signed off on the insurance, and you can't even possibly tell me that I totaled a car. I didn't total a Chrysler. There's a little bit of damage on the back left taillight.
Whoa, calm down. My goodness. Is that how you got with the driver that you hit?
What does that have anything to do? I'm mad because you're not doing your job, man. You're not doing your job.
My goodness. Somebody needs some anger management classes. We don't get like that here at Rent-A-Car.
Do you have $2,600 just to show out for people that don't do their job and are idiots?
Would you like us to put this on a credit card, or do you want to do payments monthly? We can do monthly or quarterly payments.
I'm not doing any payments at all. You're going to have to come find me.
That kind of attitude does not get you invited to drive with us again.
What's your name?
My name is Clarissa Jenkins, and you've just been phone checked.
Dude, who got me?
Your friend John.
I'm going to kill John. That dude is dead.
Boom! You just been phone checked.
Clarissa Jenkins, yeah, baby.